In this very short video, I'm going to show you how to install extensions in MainWP. Hi, I'm Mike Prestwood with Prestwood IT Solutions. This video is part of our Presto Pro WordPress channel. If you like videos like this, please click the subscribe link and notification bell below. Okay, let's get started. First, let's remind ourselves where we can see a list of extensions that are currently available. So on MainWP.com, you can click on the MainWP Extensions, and this will show you a list of all the extensions and how much they are per year, or whether or not they're free. You can filter down to just the free ones if you want to focus in on those. And you can also go over to MainWP Pro, and you can look at the current pricing for monthly and lifetime packages. If you do the lifetime packages, then all of the extensions available here that have a price on them are included forever. So here we are in the MainWP control panel, and to install extensions you just need to click on the extensions link on the left hand menu, and then over here where it says install and activate extensions, you want to put in your username and password and click verify my login. Once you've done that, you'll simply click install extensions, and whatever extensions you have access to currently will show up right here, and then you simply click on one to install it. For example, let's go ahead and install the Clean and Lock extension. Click install, skips all the others, installs this one extension. When done, just simply press close. So this process of installing your available extensions is much better than in previous versions. Once installed, you'll notice that the license has not been activated quite yet. So go ahead and click on Activate Extensions once you've installed all of the extensions you wish, and voila! Now, as usual, to use them, under extensions here you'll see the extensions that you've installed, so you simply click on the link for that particular extension and start using it. You notice on the install purchased extension screen they have a little note here that basically says, hey, only install one at a time, get to know that one extension, figure out how powerful it is, and then move on to the next extension. They recommend just installing one extension at a time. Not bad advice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please help me out and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.